everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover the relative XPath. And in relative XPath, we use double forward slash, and then it indicates traverse from a parent to any child element. So why we are using for the relative XPath means to overcome the drawbacks of absolute XPath. So we go for a relative XPath. That means absolute XPath is very lengthy. In order to reduce the length of expressions, so we can use the relative XPath. So in relative XPath, we use like a forward double slash and which represents any child, also called as descendant. So this is I am going to show you the example. So this is our HTML tree structure. So if I want to go to the E element. So here my E element is available over here. What I have to do is I have to go to the directly div tag, then so and then input. Okay, so like that here we have to work on it. So here initially here for relate XPath we are using double forward slash, then any child. So suppose if you are using the div tag, if you want to go to directly of or input or of it, that time you can, what you do is the single forward slash you have to represent it. Then so more examples I have covered in the above for this one. So for let me, I will be showing for the source code of this. See here, this is the source code of this. I have written over a HTML, then body input of text A and B and C, D over here. So for that purpose, directly suppose if I want to go to the this element, what you do is just directly you can go to the, no need to write the HTML, then body, then no need to go to the in related XPath. So for avoiding the such a elements for writing the for absolute XPath, directly we are going for the relative XPath over here. So here div of 1 and input of 1, then we can go for the this one. Let me, I'm showing the more examples over here, then you will understand. So for relative XPath, I have written over here. Same source code I have written over here. Then while saving, you have to make it as a .html. Okay. Then just I am going for the Firefox browser over here. Okay. In Firefox browser, what I did is I installed for this Try XPath I added over here. So for writing the XPath expressions, verifying the XPath expressions whether that is correct or not. So for that purpose we are using Try XPath and suggesting you to try to write your own XPath expression. So we will understand for the concept of writing the XPath expressions and all. So over here for the my HTML source code over here, and just take all this and XPath, you can make it as a XPath of any type. Then you have to write it. Then I will be going to the directly of the, then of input of 1. So this will be highlighting of A and C. Now what I will do, I will just only I have to write the I want to show only for A. Okay, then I will be going to 1. Then the any child of input of 1. Okay, this is a correct relative XPath expressions. So for we are using the relative XPath, we are using double forward slash. If you want to go for any child element, then I am going to use a single forward slash. So like that we have to work on it. Same thing like I want to show you for the Chrome browser as well. Open over here, then go to the Chrome browser. Right click on it, then inspect the element. Then you can make it as a Ctrl+F. You will find option, okay, find element, then go for, I want to search for the C element, A element, then what I have to do is go to div of 1, then single forward slash, that means immediate of any child, so input of 1. So here it is showing like 1 of 1. Like that you have to work on remaining things, like go to search for either related part of A, then B, then C, D, and A, B, C, D, then A, C, B, D, and A, B, C, D. So like that you have to work on it. It is very for easy to understanding. Okay, let me close this. Let me go to the Eclipse. I have written over here already. So just I am showing for the one example. So go to the XPath, then I am adding the relative XPath expression over here, and just I am sending some parameters. I am going to just run this. I am kindly suggesting you to have to refer the previous videos how to set the path of the browser and Chrome driver and all. So Firefox browser, Firefox driver as well. So I have passed the keyword as test. It is successfully typed over here, and then my this relative XPath is working fine. So for more examples I have added over here. You please kindly refer this table. So next thing is, so what is the difference between a single forward slash and double forward slash? Means single forward slash represents the immediate child, whereas double forward slash represents the any child or it is a descendant. Okay. Now, what is the difference between, okay, this is of the matches with all the links, A tag means, and for this table, and this is for entire page, whereas a table of A matches with all the links which are the present in the inside the table. So, for this is for like that, and then, so, and what is the difference between single forward slash and double forward slash means? Um, That means a single forward slash represents the that indicates traverse from a parent to immediate child, and double forward slash represents that indicates from parent to any child. Okay, so I have covered all the steps over here. So kindly for subscribe this video, and if you have any questions on this video, please comment on the comment section. So thank you.